welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a mermaid inspired look, which is this look right here. If you guys want to know how to get this look, then stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to join me first and for future videos. So let's get straight into this video. Alrighty, we are ready to become mermaids. Alright, we are gonna use a couple palettes today, but I've already beaten my face because I don't want this video to be too long, because sometimes my videos are extra long because I talk too much. But I'm gonna mark in the description box every product that I use today, and let's just get straight into this because I'm excited. I want to be a mermaid. Hello, like, let's go. So we're gonna be dipping into the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette first, and we're just gonna take the shade Courtney on an E23 Morphe brush, and we're just gonna put that down as our transition shade. I'm so ready for the beaches to open. For the beaches, even though in the Bronx we got some shitty beaches. You know, everybody knows Chocha Beach. I've never done a mermaid look, so this is my first attempt. So don't judge me. Like, don't go hard on me. Give a girl a break. We're gonna go in next with a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go into this shade right here, Star Power. And that's gonna be our first shade. We're gonna go and do our other eye. I'm like so excited. I just want to see how this comes out. I hope it doesn't look a mess. Like, I love using colors, but sometimes I shy away from them. I don't know why, but I do. Because I'm more of a warm, neutral tone girl, but we're just gonna get there. Summer's coming. I rock every color under the sun in the summertime, so let's get used to using these colors. Let's make it happen. Let's make this happen. Now, of course, it's not a tutorial of mine unless I'm singing and doing my makeup at the same damn time, because that's what I do. But next, I'm actually going to take the Blood Sugar palette, and we're going to go in with the color Root Canal, which is this purple shade right here. Yes. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M573 brush right here. Bam. And we're just gonna like press it into the crease and keep it in there. Just gonna keep that in there. I'm weird, but don't pay me no more. Bam. Now, I do love the pigments in this palette. As you know, they are, some of them do contain dyes, so I've heard they've stained the eye, but I haven't ran into one yet that has stained my eye, so hopefully this doesn't do it. So yeah. Next, what are we doing next? Oh, what are we doing next? Next, we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna take, where's my little concealer brush? My M421, and what did I do with my concealer? Right here, we're gonna take some Shape Tape on the back of our hand. Yes. And we're just gonna cut the crease. Boom. So now that we got that crease out, I actually want to like turn it out into like more of an oval shape and curve it with my eye shape. Boom. So now we got it just like that. You see that? You see that? I'm gonna clean that up because I want that shape just like that. So now that we have our eyes the shape that we want, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and we're gonna take this purple shade right here. I believe that is called Royalty, and we're just gonna pack that on our brush. I'm gonna spray it a little bit, boom, with some spray, so that this way we can get a full pigment. And we're just gonna put that on the outer part of the lid here, the outer V. We want that only in this corner right here. Okay? So just only put it in that corner right there. Boom. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our next packing brush and we're gonna go into the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and we're gonna take this expensive shade right here. It says expensive, so, and we're also gonna spray that shade too. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that in the middle of our lid, and we're gonna bring it almost to the inner corner, almost, not all the way. Don't bring it all the way in. I want to leave the inside right there open. And you can just tap it over that Royalty shade so that they have a nice blend together. I'm getting the World of Fallout over here. So I'm just gonna... Might have ruined my makeup, but it's alright. Next, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the next little packing brush that I have, and we're gonna go back into that palette, and we're gonna go into the Rich Bitch shade right here, which is this nice gold shade. Gold, who doesn't love a nice gold? We're also gonna spray that again because, again, we want maximum pigment. We want it to work. We want to be shiny mermaid so they could be seen under the sea. And we're gonna just tap, 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 tap. Tap that in there just like that. You see that? Bam. So now that we got that on both sides, we over here shining. What I'm actually gonna do is just take that smaller fluffy brush that I have, and I'm just gonna go in with the Royalty color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna blend upwards. Trying to hide that pink. Trying to hide that pink because I like purple. Purple, purple. Bam. Now that we got that down, just gonna take an MB47 brush. But before I do that, I want to add a little more loose powder under my eyes just to pick up any fallout, because I have a little right here that I don't think is going to disappear, which is my mistake. So I'm going to take my Y11 brush, put that under there again. I'm going to put that powder there. I'm packing it on pretty heavy. And we're also like brightening at the same time, which is great. So we're gonna go back in again with that Royalty color, but we have it on the MB47. So we're just gonna drag that down, but I'm only gonna take it on the outer part of my eye. Literally, I'm keeping it only to the outer corner to connect. So just like that. I'm not gonna bring it down. I'm gonna bring it down to where it transitions into the blue. The same thing on this corner here. Bam, 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 bam. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna clean it off a little on this little pad that I have here. And we're gonna go in with the expensive shade now. So we're just following each color that we followed on the top lid, and that's what we're doing. Okay, I'm gonna tap it off a little bit, and then we're gonna put that right beneath. And keep it even again with the one on top. And then we're going to clean the same brush off. I wish I had a million of these brushes, but unfortunately I don't. And then we're going to go in with that Rich Bitch shade, which is the gold shade that we use in the inner corner. And we're going to just finish that off and pull it all together right there. I'm going to actually go in with a smudger brush. Lies. We're going to take that smaller fluffy brush that we used earlier, and we're just going to dip back into the pink shade, which is the first shade that the second shade we used, the Star Power shade here. I'm going to tap that off, and we're just going to go underneath all of these shades down here and try to smoke it out. Bam. Now that we got that down, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna curl our eyes, curl our eyelashes real quick. 1, 2, 3. I always feel like I'm gonna kill myself and pull off all my lashes. 1, 2, 3. Now that we got that done, we're gonna throw on some mascara, and we're gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is in the blackest black shade. I can't even open it, but we're gonna use that because we're gonna throw on some nice lashes, because that's how we're gonna finish off this look. So girl, throw on that mascara. This mascara. This mascara is a dream. I'll be making the funniest faces, don't worry. It's all good in the hood. Forgive my blandness, I'm just not feeling the energy today, but I figured I wanted to look pretty, and I wanted to be a mermaid, and I wasn't gonna keep myself down, and I was just gonna play today. So I decided to do this look. Bam. So now that we got that done, I'm just gonna really quick take this little Wet n Wild pencil that I have. I am never one to put white in my waterline. I do not like the way it looks. That's just my personal opinion. I think that if you guys try this look, that you should put maybe white in the waterline to make your eyes pop, as they say, but I'm just gonna stick to what I do, and I'm just gonna put this black pencil in my waterline. Again, that's just my personal opinion. You do not have to do this. Sometimes I don't even put anything in my waterline, but I like the look to be completed and feel complete, and to me it doesn't feel complete without the waterline, you know, just tightened up in there. And we're gonna take our lashes. So I'm just gonna take these little Ardell lashes that I have here. They're wispy lashes. They are so pretty. And I'm just gonna do these. And I'm just gonna put some glue on that, and we're gonna quickly put these lashes on, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna see this look. So now that we have our lashes on, I just went ahead and I put some lipstick on and some highlight. What I did was I used the Ombre Lip Duo by NYX in the shade Razzle Dazzle. I used the pink side first to line my lips, and then I used some MAC Heroin lipstick, and then we dipped into the Aurora Anastasia highlighting palette, and I just used these two shades right here, Spectra and Orion, to keep it like a purpley blue and make this mermaid look tie in. And you know, we want to be shiny, so what do you think of this final look? I'm feeling like a mermaid. Once I let that hair down, I was like, ooh, beach, where you at? I am so ready. I can definitely see myself doing this look again, and I'm so proud of how it came out, and I want to pat myself on the back because I feel amazing. This look just like lifted my spirits, and yeah, I was mad, down, and depressed, and I was like, girl, put some makeup on, get happy. And yeah, I'm ecstatic. you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stick around, we have lots of videos coming in the future, and again, I hope you guys remember, like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and if you guys enjoy these videos, then stick around.
No, I can't be responsible. It ain't my fault.